And hey guys, today we're over here at the Doubloon Lagoon pool. And this pool is located over at the Port Orleans French Quarter side. So this is actually one of the most awesome pools on property. The way it's designed, there's probably nothing that compares or even is close to this one. If you guys look in the background, you're going to see the big dragon. And every little piece of this dragon was thought really to the best of its ability to be built. Because if you look in the background right now, you see the dragon. He's a staircase. It's a tunnel underneath. The pool is 225,000 gallons. And it's also got the aquatic play area off on the other side, which we'll get to in a little bit. But this pool, they've got the clams. You've got this person walking by who's one of the lifeguards here at Walt Disney World. But everybody wants to be on cameras nowadays. So you got the big shell, you've got the gators underneath the shell, but you can see the alligator actually hoops right over top of the pool into an island, which is the staircase, takes you out to where the lifeguard is. And every little part of this pool is just really well thought about. It's like they really took the time to build this one pool just to be perfect. But you guys can make your way around. It's over here at the Port Orleans. Now remember, when you guys get over here, there's two sections of the Port Orleans. You've got the Riverside and the French Quarters, which obviously is the French Quarters with the Mardi Gras. You had the gesture when we walked in, the Mardi Gras gesture, and you got the alligators, the Mardi Gras alligators all over the place. And you can see the head of the dragon over there is actually the slide entrance. So the kids are going to go up the stairs. They're actually going to walk around the back there, and there's a little light that lights up green or red. Now when that turns green, they slide down. It tells them it's enough time for somebody to get out of the way when they're going down the actual slide. But you've got enough room here for seating, way enough room for swimming around. The slide, it's obviously not really designed for the adults, it's designed more for the kids, but you got this awesome dragon going around. And this was actually just redone a few years back, and I was actually over here and got one of the first videos of it when it reopened. It's pretty cool looking. If you guys get a chance, visit the countrybeartours.com, click on the resorts tab, then click on pools or click on the French Quarters, and you'll see this actually pool. It is posted in there by itself, so you don't got to watch the whole walkthrough tour of the actual resort. But you can see here, there's stairs all over the place with this dragon. You can sneak underneath. They got the little tunnels that take you to the other side. You can see where the stairs actually come down. It's kind of cool. And you got just walkways everywhere. So if you're looking for somebody, there's a really good chance you're going to find them. Like a lot of the pools, you got to walk all the way around and hunt people down. And here's the slide rules. So if you guys are going to use the slide, there's what you got to abide by there. And then over here you got the aquatic play area, and that's for the little kids. So you're not going to be going in there. I don't like to walk in there with the camera unless nobody's in there, but right now we're walking around the outside, give you guys a look at what that's involved with. And if you can't really be happy in there swimming as a little kid, you probably don't want to be swimming. They've got just about everything in there to keep your little eyes occupied. But once again, here's a pool looking around here. You've got the clamshell in the background that sprays the water over. You've got the handicap lift chair there that's going to take
It is not from Mickey Mouse.
And this is the little life vest. If you guys need the little life vest for the kids, you got them here. You just grab one and go. You don't have to rent them. And here's one last look at the aquatic play area before we head out. And once again, this is the Doubloon Lagoon pool over at the Port Orleans French Quarter.
He has a ride at Walt Disney World.
We'll see you guys in the next one.